Hi friends, welcome back to SMNVS Innovations YouTube channel. In this video, let us see about this JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker. So friends, this is the packing received for the JBL Flip 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. So this is the front view of this packing box. Here JBL by Harman is written. And this product also received CES Innovation Awards 2017 for the design it has been given. And this is the side view of this packing box. So it is weatherproof, waterproof product. So this is the rear portion of this packing box. Here the specifications of this product has been written in brief, and here the driver details and the frequency response of this product has been written. So this is the other side view of this packing box. Here the pricing information along with the contents of this box has been mentioned, and also the manufactured details also mentioned here. This product has been manufactured by Harman International Industries Inc. from USA, and this is imported by Harman International Private Limited from Bangalore. So now let's unbox this product and see what's inside this product. So now I have opened this box. So this is the first view of this box. So friends, here you can see Flip 4 is written on this packing box. So now I am opening this. So here is the speaker main unit, and let us see what's inside this packaging. So here the packaging also has the JBL logo. So let's see what's inside this. It's looking to be like the manuals. Yes, these are the manuals provided in the seal cover. Mostly they provide the user manuals along with the guidelines and also the warranty information. So this is the user manual provided by the JBL. So this is JBL Flip 4 version, and this is the user manual provided for it, and these are the operating instructions provided for this Flip 4 speaker. So here you can see this is the speaker, and this is the charging cable, micro USB charging cable, and these are the function keys explained in detail. So which function key will represent which option. So mostly in JBL Flip 4 there are main keys, and here this is the power key for on and off of this speaker, and this is the JBL Connect Plus button to connect multiple number of JBL speakers, and here we have the play button, volume increase, volume decrease, and also Bluetooth pairing button. This play button can be configured in the JBL Connect Plus app, and also this JBL Flip 4 has inbuilt noise cancelling speakerphone or the microphone, so it can be used to answer the phone calls. So this is a very best feature and also great feature. And here you can charge the speaker directly through any USB source through this micro USB port, and also it has aux input port to connect the audio files directly to the speaker and play without the Bluetooth connection. And also for the connecting of Bluetooth, here the Bluetooth pairing button is there. This Bluetooth pairing button, pressing of this Bluetooth pairing button will initiate the Bluetooth connection to any Bluetooth device. So here these are the music controls given. So by pressing this play button twice skips the audio track, and single button press will result in the play and pause of this audio tracks. And also you can answer this phone calls by using this speaker. While answering a phone call, just press this play button, so it will answer the call, and again the same tap on this play button will cut the phone call. So these are the main important features of this speaker which are mentioned in this user manual. And it also has the voice assistant feature, and this voice assistant can be activated or configured through this JBL Connect Plus app. So you can see here, tap voice assistant in the JBL Connect app to make the play button as the activation key of Siri or Google Now on your phone. It means you can use this speaker to activate the Google Play or Siri on this speaker phone. So friends, now let us see the speaker in detail. So now coming to the charging cable, this product comes with a charging cable. As this is a review unit, yeah, I have received this charging cable. Generally JBL original charging cable will be coming. As this is a review unit, just I have received this for demo purpose. So this is the micro USB charging cable for charging this JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth portable Bluetooth speaker. So now coming to this is the main unit. So friends, this is the first view of this JBL Flip 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. So this is the nylon shielding. So it is very rugged design and also looking attractive in color. So friends, this is the power button and this is the JBL Connect Plus button. So as we discussed in the manual previously, we can see these are the buttons given. This is the play button, this is the volume increase, this is the volume decrease button, and this is the Bluetooth pairing button, and this is the strap for carrying this Bluetooth speaker. And as you see, as it is water resistant Bluetooth speaker, you can see here there is a opening of flap for the charging and also the aux connection. So now I have opened this. You can see the thickness given for this flap in order to protect the speaker from water splashes or drowning in the water. So water does not enter the speaker because of this thickness. So friends, let us see here in detail. This is the micro USB charging port. You have to connect this in order to charge this Bluetooth speaker. And this is the aux input port in order to directly connect the audio track to the speaker and play it without the use of Bluetooth. So friends, now let us on the speaker and see how it performs. So in order to on this product, so this is the power button. We have to press this once in order to power it on. So friends, you can listen the beep sound by the JBL speaker. So friends, these are the Boss radiators. JBL logo is printed on this Boss radiator. This is glossy finish. This is very looking attractive. These are the Boss radiators present on both sides of this Bluetooth speaker. This is the JBL logo and here JBL is directly written on this Boss radiator, and these are very tightly packed, tightly designed, airtight design. And this speaker has two number of 40 mm drivers. One is left and other is right. It is a stereo speaker offering 16 watts of stereo sound experience. Each speaker delivers 8 watts of sound. One is left and other is right. So totally 16 watts of stereo sound experience we can get by the speaker. So now this is the battery power indication provided here. So this speaker comes with a battery life of 3000 mAh. So 3000 mAh, the company is claiming 12 hours of playtime with 70% of volume. If we decrease the volume, we can get more time of playback time. So now let us play some track and see how it performs. So friends, now I am playing another track.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. I am restricted, fixed upon.
So friends, now I have pressed the play button. So the audio has been stopped. Now again I will repress it. It will continue now playing. You can see now.
I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely.
Now I have decreased the volume of the speaker. Now I will increase again.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are.
So friends, now you have seen the speaker. I have placed some water on this bass radiator also. This speaker is IPX7 water resistant. You can submerge in water for 1 meter for 30 minutes also. So this speaker comes with this nylon based casing. So this is very attractive design, and also it produces very high bass sound output, and this speaker is producing very good bass output. For this size, it is producing the decent bass sound experience. So friends, I recommend this speaker who uses mostly speaker phones, because this Bluetooth speaker has inbuilt speaker phone option, it means microphone option. So who can use conference calls, so this speaker is very useful. So this speaker can be used both for answering the conference calls as well as to listen to the Bluetooth music. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.